So we got a little bit of a bike fix coming up here. And if you just take a look at her sideways, you can see a little bit of a wobble there in the wheel. Good, tiny, good. Look at that thing. Look at that. Wheels have arrived. All right. Great replacement. Oh yeah, that looks great. But yeah, let's just make sure. Yeah, that is that hub a bit. Look at the braking surface. It's pitted. The rear one was a 3-bolt axle. The new one I was able to get also quick release. So that's a huge improvement. I can hear some clicking. These front bearings are really, oh, jeez, yeah. Dry. So yeah, there we go. Now we're back to much better spinach. So there we go. Of course, this is all Shimano, so. And then here's where, see some. Not crazy tight. From pinching when I get it back on. Start torquing this thing down. Should be in the hardest gear. There we go. Bent crank. This is the tube, but yeah, pop off the little and just take off that nut, and then we'll pull it. The nut off. This is gonna be going through some torque. But I thread that on, grip right there too, and then this threads in. Get that in there and start cranking on it until it pops. Okay. Whew. My goodness. I had that thing all the way seated. And next. Oh man, this is an awesome find. This crank has been off this bike since it was, look at it, seized. I guess not really. 15 bucks. Lube that up. You're opposite the other one, right? Oh yeah. That's going. Started on it. That looks pretty good. All right, cap. And pedal. On the left side, it's the opposite threaded. Right side's the right side. The left side, it's opposite. Okay, this thing is just pulling the quill out, loosen that. And what I realized is there she goes with the bearings too. And it is visibly bent. Take a screwdriver, get on the flat part, and hammer it off. Fork came in today. Real excited about this. What's in there? Oh.
Oh no.
It's okay. What? Wow.
Silver.
Yeah, it's called chrome. Sound like a good idea?
You want it really careful.
Oh, a little baby fork. It's a trick. You take a
I can do it. I can do it.
fits around, and then you just bring her home. And make sure it's seated all the way down. We're ready to throw this on. And just light it up. Just get those in there. Tighten that just enough where it can still spin freely. Look at that threaded portion of the fork. Making some good progress. Slow going though. Oh yeah, there we go. Time to install it on the bike. Haha. No problem. Good length. There we go. With these springs, go with that again, and then tighten these bolts down, and then wire it up. I think we're done. Yeah, we're straight. Gears are smooth, brakes are working, and we are done. We are ready for the road again. Wheels straight, fork straight. Crank straight, rear wheel straight, and this thing is ready to roll once again.